아, 미치기 빠르 주냐 라이바. 미치기 빠르 주니 gamni luna 야광 samara. 엉바지 통로라.
근데 어디 뜨다 네 뭔지도 지순디.
이바드라.
There's 72,585 right now, but then we are going to lit 130,000 candles for the aspirations of Tibetan people in exile for Panchen Lama.
계속 계획 준주 전화라. The sitting it is the proposal got 2.5 feet in the cake to fishing namnola. Yangla. Ni ton sumga ni shushongor in the chick. That means Kanzula candle. My cake Kazura option of doing up gay. Up doing some 57 cakes.
Publicity symbol is how in Madame Winter. The mission we have to do less zero. People like his level in a Chelsea Karime. The Guinness World Money Kurans contact do Shire, the me pressure Lena Malene, the video movie train to
Retangazuki Ganagi, Nishule Namalena, Yangazu, we did a match to a chigba, Kachina Nanganzuki, Pumsho Yangasama Yangsare, Ani, that me picking milling in some tinky chonsare.
This year, the rates have gone up to £7,000 for overall global.
Okay, cool. So I just talked with our team, and so we are basically confirmed. We decided that we will invite someone from GWR Rep to attend the event, which is going to happen in South India in Bailakopi. It's in Karnataka.
Oh, right, in Karnataka, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so right now we have $1,506. It was donated by I think 43 people so far.
Catchphrase 님고 네 코드지 hashtag 지 보면 hashtag 제 비추지. common hashtag 제 비추 나온 거지.
GWR for Panchen Lama. Hashtag GWR for Panchen Lama.
Let's Guinness World Record. Let's
Raise the candle for Panchen Lama.
light a candle.
Coffee make. The digger and Anzuki dinner Guinness World Record show in a park Chicardulana. Canada people popular do Pinanola. He can shoot the age, and it's charging a young good that was any young. And the Punango like a dig instruction with the age of Guinness World Record. Tujin Kadinchi.
This isn't the first time the Panchen Lama has been held under house arrest by the Chinese government. The 10th Panchen Lama was also caught in the crossfire. After writing criticisms of China's liberation of Tibet, he too was imprisoned and then placed under house arrest for a total of 14 years.
나만 걔가 나랑 하게 들으라.
So we spoke with Guinness World Record official yesterday afternoon. So we've been in contact with them because we wanted to invite them for the event, and so we spoke with them when they were about to draw the agreement. He mentioned that this event is too political, that we can't use Guinness World Record platform to endorse a political message. But I think we kind of saw this coming because when we first came up with this idea, when we went around speaking to our close friends about this whole idea, one of the most common response was, will Guinness World Record accept this? Won't there be any Chinese influence?
Terms and conditions
February 15, sorry.
Okay, February 15, 2003 as?
February 13, 2003, right.
February 15, 2003.
February 15, 2003, Iraq war protests in Rome as the largest anti-war rally. There's the largest anti-war rally.
Our policies have changed since then.
What? Well, when since then? Because at the end of the day, whatever we do will always become political.
Yeah.
So does that mean we don't have a platform?
Yeah, I mean, your existence is
Yeah.
political, right?
Yeah.
So
We are a product of colonization, man.
Then like it's
So there's
like
nothing
everything
more
is
political than
right?
that.
yeah.
News X and Citizen something media last. Citizen Matters last. The real idea. And Queen's Chasa and AP the Yoga. Evidence comes a apocalypse. 사실 근데 비교하는 리고에 정말리 맹로마트 말고비는 소리 말고비는 정말 지도 주요 가지고 대신 분이 되는데 어디 가서 아니 님보라 딱 대신 분이 가서 님보라
나 산이 콘서트 케이크 되치기스 케이크 간도 깜품 제나 콘서트 케이크 그 샘플 소지 선키니 보이시 근데 가는 거 양라데 거들레기나 근데 양라데 쪼제 메파르체 세야도 같이 트레이닝 스테는 컨데스레 찍다오라 스타도 서마야 대치 케브라다 마선데스 야쿠시 도에서 레소시도 남기 되게 이거 말했긴 남기 가서 다 그게 가서 스위스라 칭을 내가 가서 돼 리워 칭을 달에 tomnade gen chine khamida respond khamida mami ji ngo tuni di yin se ma ji ngo sai ji gebere kidu da 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 igi yama kango sema ande diso chashne media no te stanto na ta ta singa zuge gemi gugu tanton digo
Okay, so evidence checklist tadi get it manzo evidence on checklist kada tadi pose thawa jeta tadi dora statement witness statement 1 witness statement 2 witness statement video evidence schedule 1 to 2 media article cover letter and photographic evidence plus statement from a registered public health officer or public hygiene officer tadi bota So as per Guinness World Record guidelines, for this event, we need a statement from a public health officer in the area saying that the cake is safe to eat.
Tomorrow there's a meeting for us in Taluka.
Okay.
You come there. We will have a discussion with the Taluka staffs.
Okay, sure. Sure.
nothing will happen sir
I mean, if this is carbon dioxide, then it's fine.
Purely carbon
It has to be carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Like he's a miship, just to get part of the feet
fitness la mga par ko mido ta mi shipchu jita fit okay nga dini degas pat pargi nga dini degas pat pargi nga dini degas pat pargi na ये बुरा ता मजे पर तो रास्ता दने पर खर्च तो चुन पर के रुआ दुष्ण तंगे ता संदा लागबा दिति शाजी रोज दिग सर पे
람사 शुरू 도와 싸워도 람사 शुरू 도 잡고 싶었다 양라 잡혀 얘는 양라 잡혀 오케이 예 사고 도와 망아도 도시다 상이 제마가 트라이치 셔와 양라 도시 가지 교도 다 데이터 데니 가지 교도 봐 피드니도 제가 샤 없어요 это демия, понятно, демия. Ина яла децета. Яла децета. Яла децка връщ.
네.
Децка геогу шоду да.
If you have any, or do you have any stock of around 130,000?
See, we have a different category of candles. We are not into birthday candles at all, or a taper candle. Since you had asked for a quantity, we had got a dimension, and we have a lead time of almost 70 days to get this organized for you.
Hindi. Candle manufacturer. Candle.
So yeah, this is you can this number it's on WhatsApp, so you can message me on here. Do you have a sample of it? Any sample?
We don't have this much time. Okay, sorry.
Maybe enough. Di marde. Dina. Dines tanna daha koy koran marş.
Koy marş. Ta kol düğüdü du.
Toko da factory lo do the restaurant check chigo lo. Koi da this tinya lo sambi.
Let's take a short drive. We'll try our best. Menani?
버준 기만 봐. 제게 손녀도 받대 지금.
Khanis par hai
दिन किमान पर वान पर न यहाँ मैं बड़ा खाऊ छी
Kiman pargi sulugi.
ले चे ये सु किमान यम तो पर दा खाजा बात तो दा तेस कोसरता ला
No son पर.
इना दे बानो दे वाता तेस किमा दा माशा मा
Run. Hane par. No dus phatu do.
어디 겨우 쇼쇼부터 다 군조 순양아 되다 홍서 괜찮아
Lungi.
네 양아 캔슬 되셔
Mudu this puzzle do.
양아 대
Pawasar
보도
do. Chig simul padu.
양아 빨가 지금 양아 레드 양아 레드 양아 딩 마서 양아 제 체야지
Don't teach us Sani Manglo do. Kul teach us the teacher. You can message. State Bank का State Bank के सामने.
भाई मिला
उधर नहीं है, स्टॉक नहीं है, वो से स्टॉक नहीं है।
तो फिर भाई ने क्यों फोन करके बोला था हमें यहाँ पे है, इसीलिए तो हम दूर से यहाँ से आए ना देखने के लिए।
कहाँ से है?
मतलब
Ribuche ta tendang anzo Mysore Gendun Choekyi Nyima Mangalore sorry Mangalore Gendun Choekyi Nyima karsa tangboyana yu la pa ta ga zene yang la ba lo ga re sha ya chenpo ju yu ge gang zu shu zhe de ge gang zu shu zhe de re sha ta yang bu jing la ro ribuche anzo ya ma phone pe mo ta ba mo zhen du du Mumbai le Gendun ji ga gi do 거기 갈라스라나 산님만 거기 내가 지주고 스라 미창마 아니 제시다 창마 패징 아주 고에도 코라레시 다들 되는 걸로 봐.
One of the show me the night.
그래. 나 키밀레 되다.
잡아줘. 뭐 이게 우리 나갈래다. 와.
이제 강가리 강가리
디 야고도다.
춘주를 쉬어를 둬야 돼.
네 제대로 들어. 방문에.
야 춘주를 둬야.
제가 연기할 때도 그리고. 네가 무슨 몸을 되게 되게 지금 봐. 매도 봐.
그다 남자 쉬어야 말이야.
사야. 제가 그거 조정을 줘 맞아. 아, 알아요. 그래 야 가지고.
그리고 다 찍다 와.
그래도 되게 인트레스팅. 네.
인트레스팅. 다디 저거를 다 맞으나 아니 완성 많이었어.
먼저 나와 트윈스 게스 라치디로 디강라다. 다 타마데 메파레데 개쳐셔로와. 다 메파르게니 건가지 먼저 탄다 당원이라 독신이 니니 카레 방니 샤게서디 놈나 방 샤이로와. 니는 거라 방니샤. 아니 딘데 도지기 술라.
이 창문 나고 쓰셔나.
디 창문이 나고 쓰고 있어. 와. 근데 야가 바르게서 베지. 책! 예! 쏘!
디스코.
Yeah, that's start.
근데 언제 마세요?
가져는 뭐 샤샤도 샤.
디샤.
샤. 소신.
한번 집주세요. 세긴 집주.
16 of these.
Okay.
And then we have put one more with that side. We have 11. And then we have 6. And then over here, you can see 126. So calculating everything, adding everything will be 292.
Yeah.
Into 446 is 130,232.
My name is Gendun Choekyi Nyima, and I'm the National Director of Students for Free Tibet India. As you all know, that Panchen Lama was abducted when he was 6 years old in 1995. And today is his birthday and he's turning 29. It's been 23 years since we haven't seen him. And out of all these 1,000 people, there's only one person missing. And that is Panchen Lama. He is not here among us today.